Jinan Goldmark CNC Machinery Co. Ltd. is founded in 2016 and located in Jinan City, Shandong Province. The company operates a production facility spanning over 30,000 square meters and employs more than 200 staff members. With an annual export volume exceeding 2,500 units, all equipment complies with CE, FDA, and ISO 9001 certifications. The company's products have been exported to more than 130 countries and regions worldwide. And training services, along with 20 engineers dedicated to offering 24/7 online support. We offer one-stop laser solutions as a representative of Made in China. We sincerely invite you to explore the metal processing market together for mutual benefit, win-win cooperation, and a shared future.